In the late 1950s, a culinary revolution began in the modest labs of visionary Momofuku Ando, amidst the food shortages of post-war Japan. Ando's ambition was clear: to create a quick, savory meal that was accessible, satisfying, and could alleviate hunger en masse. By 1958, he introduced instant noodles, profoundly transforming the quick meal scene. More than convenience, it was a crisis solution, embodied in a packet that was easy to store, prepare, and afford. Boiling water unlocked magic, morphing a dried block into a comforting meal. Instant noodles transitioned from survival food to a worldwide staple, thanks to Ando's legacy of innovation overcoming global challenges. We embark on a journey through the evolution of instant ramen, celebrating its global embrace and diverse incarnations, illustrating its enduring place in global food cultures. From the dynamism of Tokyo's streets to the serenity of Indonesian landscapes and Italy's colorful markets, instant noodles captivate with their universal appeal. Each bowl reflects its homeland, from Japan's umami-laden ramen to Indonesia's fiery mie goreng, showcasing the dish's versatility and global influence. This segment explores instant noodles' adaptability, embraced worldwide and enhanced with local ingredients and flavors to create distinctive culinary expressions. In countries like South Korea and Thailand, instant noodles are infused with national tastes, like the spicy kimchi ramyun and the tangy tom yum, respectively. Beyond taste, these noodles signify cultural value, feeding students, spurring creativity, and becoming staples in homes globally. As we journey through the world of instant noodles, we see brands like Nissin, Indomie, and Maggi cater to varied palates, cementing the dish's place in global cuisine. Up next, we'll explore how instant noodles morph into nutritious meals, blending tradition with innovation. Our noodle odyssey concludes, dispelling myths of instant noodles as mere convenience food, devoid of nutritional value. We uncover the culinary secrets that transform these meals into hearty, flavorful experiences. Picture a bowl laden with fresh vegetables and lean proteins, intertwined with the familiar instant noodles, enhancing both nutritional content and taste, far beyond the standard seasoning packets. This final chapter celebrates the journey of instant noodles from a simple packet to a platform for culinary creativity and healthful choices. Here, we learn that with imaginative recipes and wholesome additions, instant noodles can indeed form part of a balanced diet. As we conclude, let's remember the innovation behind instant noodles isn't just about quick preparation, but embracing a world of culinary possibilities, proving that quick meals can also be nutritious and delightful.